highly qualified craftsman can remove a dent in a car with boiling water and a plunger. The ingenuity of people has no limits. What to do if the water is turned off and you need to wash your hair? Here is the simple answer. Professionals in their field can do their job at the risk of their lives. This welder can fall into the raging sea at any moment. Brave electricians work at great heights risking their lives. Thanks to such people we have electricity in our homes. It's great when people play sports. This does help to maintain health and excellent physical shape. When you look at this girl, you also want to ride next to her. Road workers create a road that is indistinguishable from paving slabs. For this, a specialized roller is used. Road workers create a concrete road. A curb is created along with the roadway. This handmade border. Skilled workers do their job very quickly. This worker fastens the rebar with a specialized tool. In our modern world there should be a place for rest and entertainment. People have fun as they can. It helps relieve stress.
Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process. Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process. Today's specialists are very different from those workers who worked in factories a few decades ago. And the production processes themselves are very different. In our video you see the most fascinating of them.
time goes forward, technologies change. This mechanism helps to bend the pipe of different diameters.
Today's workers are very different from the workers who worked in manufacturing 100 years ago. And today's production processes are very different from the production processes 100 years ago.
Dat is dat maas. Dat is dat maas wat die pres op moment drukt. Ja, dat is wel daar, hè?
For the manufacture of metal products, skillful hands of workers are needed. The manufacturing process is very labor-intensive. The metal is melted and only then products are made from it.